Hello everyone. So today we'll show you a tool. It's called Navigator. It is within ProjectWise that will allow you to navigate inside the design file without opening a heavy software like OpenRoads Designer. This tool is actually perfect for managers and QC people. You can take a quick look at the file and see what's inside it without actually opening ProjectWise, especially if your machine does not allow you to operate ProjectWise, especially for heavy DGN files. So first thing we're going to do, let's open ProjectWise. And for reference, this is ProjectWise Explorer 2023. And I'm already inside a data source. So for example, we have this file. Just click on it. You don't have to, as you know, double click, you will open it, but we're just selecting it. Here in the bottom, the tool is here. It's called Navigator. If you clicked on it, and you get the magic eye inside the DGN itself. You have the same basic stuff that you have inside any DGN file. You can zoom in, fit screen. As you see, fit in screen because there are some stuff here, and then there are some stuff in this universe. So let's zoom in here. Oh, let me fit screen again. Here we go. And you can also rotate, basically like you do in any DGN file. The other thing too is you can see all the references inside this model, and you can turn them on and off as you see fit. You have all these. You don't want all of them, you can just turn them on and off. The other thing also, you have models here. You can select them and it will show you all the models. This is a text file, so it does not have a 3D model. Also, there are, for example, if you select this item and then you click on items here, it will show you the properties of that item. So let me make this a big screen here. So for example, this line here, if you clicked on it, which is a right away line, and then here you get to see exactly what's in it if you are interested somehow to look at this information. This will be a good thing for people who's doing QC, also for quantities, because you can click on a shape and you can see the quantities here. So let's test that. Actually, let's go to another file too. Yeah. So let's see how good it is. Let's go, for example, a key sheet. I'll wait on it for a bit, and then let's do fit screen. Oh, because I have the properties open. Let me close it. Here we go. So here we go. The key sheet, as you see, I have the default model, nothing in it, and then the key sheet model inside it, and you see there are everything here you can turn on and off. Basically all the element inside that DGN, and you can do your investigation. And like I said, also you select the element, you click on items, you will show you the properties. Let's go to a design file, because for example, let's see, well, before we do that, let's do the quantity file. For example, this file is a quantity file, and inside this file we have shapes that have quantities. So, and we have this model here. So let me rotate. And then I have a lot of them here. So let me click on this. This shape, I know that they told me this is supposed to be the existing milling shape. So if I clicked on it and I clicked on item, I get to see actually the geometry of it. And I get to see that you have the pay item that is already coded to it. So this will be good for people who's doing QC and for estimated quantity report, which is the EQR for short. Instead of actually opening the DGN, you can just go to the navigator, go to the models that the people who did that too, and you can check them. You can check exactly what's inside them without the need actually of opening the DGN itself. Yeah, and also the measurement tool, like I said, you get to measure. And they are also a print tool. If you see something unique here, if you see something that have a problem, you want to talk to your team about it, zoom in, because this is the view it's going to print, and you can click on print, and let's print it to a PDF. I'm going to save it on my desktop. And here we go. Let me zoom out. The same view that I did is just printed for me. I believe that this tool is going to be a time saver to a lot of people, especially people who their machines cannot handle CAD. They have an executive machines, but they still want to review things. I think this is a good way to do it. And one last thing also, this tool actually are capable of actually viewing 3D models too. So let's go to a model that we have here. Where's the mail line? Proposed mail line, for example. So let's go here. Give it a second. It's gonna take a while to open it, but oh no, oopsie, it's not a while. It's fast. Like I said, you can turn on and off stuff here. So I'm just gonna turn off everything else because I just want to focus on this file. For example, let me rotate. See, I don't see anything here. Why? Because, like I said, you can pan through different models. Because this model here that we are in right now is actually a 2D model, the default model. So let's go to the 3D model. And now we are inside the 3D model. Let me pan in and out. Let me turn off a lot of stuff I don't need. Let's fit the screen. And then let's look at the 3D model. Here we go. And you can see actually how the 3D model look like. Like for example, this yellow thing that you see here is a mesh. You can actually go turn it off from, ooh, let's go here. Let's find the mesh. The mesh. Oh goodness. Oh, it's in front of me and I'm looking far away. Here we go. Is this one? Puppy. Here we go. We turn it off. As you see, you can look at it. And for example, you have something unique, a unique area, you still want to measure it. You can also measure it. Like I said, you click on the thing and you toggle to it and it will measure it for you. Yeah, well, that's it. That's the navigation tool. It is a good tool. Use it and have a wonderful day. Thank you.